What's up, guys, and welcome to the official Pier Street level crossing tour. Now this is a 2-gate 3-signal level crossing on the Altona loop line that sees trains to Laverton and Werribee. Now let's start the tour. So for this signal over here, we've got an unmarked base, Westinghouse gate mechanism, black with white running stop and the red signal sign, 6 Westinghouse LEDs on 2 Westinghouse cross arms, crossback, pole cap, jail single Z-bell, wishbone gate and 3 aircraft gate lights. I don't know why I said pole cap. Let's get the first activation. Yeah, no, I'm taking video of the train, not the car. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's pretty annoying. There we go. I think I've seen 795M before. Probably have. And for this signal over here, we've got an unmarked base, Westinghouse gate mechanism, black with white running stop and the red signal sign, 6 Westinghouse LEDs on 2 Westinghouse cross arms, crossback, jail signal Z-bell, wishbone gate and 3 aircraft gate light. And for this signal over here, we've got an unmarked base, black with white running stop and the red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, crossback, pole cap. Now let's get the last activation.